Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Did you know the library subscribes to many databases which contains millions of articles, videos, images, and ebooks that will help you with your research? Finding databases on the library's website is easy. Here's how. First, you want to go to the library's website, which is found at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate to the brown Research button and click on it. Once you've arrived at the Research webpage, you're going to scroll down until you see the menu labeled Databases, and then from here, you're going to click the blue button labeled See All Databases. Once you've arrived at this webpage, you'll notice a variety of electronic databases that are all listed in alphabetical order. Once you determine the database that you're looking for, then you're going to click on the area where it says click here for access. Be aware that if you're attempting to access any of these databases from outside of a Kings County Library building, you'll need your library card number in order to access it. Since I previously accessed the databases beforehand from within a library building, I don't need to type in my library card number. You'll be able to tell if you were successfully able to log in with your library card number and that the database homepage will show up like so. This tutorial will hopefully help you with your future research projects. For more library tips and tricks and to stay up to date on what's new around the library, make sure you follow the Kings County Library on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.